Well, Jacques, we're at the Babbling Brook Park, and we have a guest with us here today, James Birdman, who will be sharing some inspirational vocals as we put together a video for him.
Time has come. It begins now, as the changes are prominent and the healing process begins. But we must still maintain our minds in the spirit of mankind through the healing process of supply. Accept and stand up by showing your support for the many changes and facts that we will be here for some time to come. Be not fooled as the old way changes and new ideas are unfolding and being implemented. As we remain safe within our limits to overcome the obstacles continually appearing. But this is letting go and moving forward with a peaceful mind, an inner knowing, and a reminder that this is a glorious moment reached here on earth today. James Birdman.
Oh, Charlie, we caught up to that guy with the orange coat. He's here too.
Are we connected? Is our moment now? Sometimes we just know what we are thinking as we join together on the same wavelength. But those who have experienced life beyond their dreams must endure the same on their way through the journey to experience a new way of understanding. We as a society sometimes must just learn to accept the changes brought about and realize that we have to follow our own path until the time to decide that the choice was for us was the best alternative way to proceed forward. There is always a better reason for a higher purpose as everything falls into place as with the help of the many. As we join together and continue moving forward with our thoughts uniting as one mighty thought healing us all. Continue on now, James Birdman. Appreciation time. When with those you care about, smile and embrace them and hold tightly to your bosom. Talk to them, walk with them, feel their love as you release yours by finding that childlike, joyful feeling coming alive for all the world. To take notice and share with the knowing that we who live in the spirit of worldwide wisdom, feeling compassion for the needs of a peaceful life, awaiting us all over the next hill and beyond, the knowing that we have the courage to move forward in life. You are all truly amazing, as you know you have the means and the skills to overcome and heal those all around you as your dreams are coming into focus. You have a life. Live it, love it, grasp it by the thorns, by the nettles. Go to those you adore and find comfort in yourself through your divinity and your wisdom found in your thoughts, and be set on your way with new hopes, new desires found within as you gaze out your window and look beyond at the amazing extravaganza with the white-capped mountains painted by the stroke of an artistic brush, inviting you to come join me here in the outdoors. Explore with your eyes and your mind that missing part of peaceful comfort. Find your passion and discover that muse of an artist found in each of you. James Birdman.
Oh, Charlie, we caught up to that guy in the orange coat again. And now he's on the move.
Our will to survive outdoors. We must stand together and walk our steps on our chosen paths to overcome the many unforeseen circumstances and obstacles that stops us from living a happy, full life of joyful memories in our moments together. We have our inner strength to guide us as we stand up and speak our minds of situations out of our control. We are not afraid to speak up as others stand there waiting to be seen. Let them know what you are feeling, for only you will be recognized for the good of humanity. Speak your truth. Be quietly unaware in your thoughts and become a part of the forest within your own mind by being able to get the word out into the world for others to grasp and understand why we find our place outdoors in Mother Nature, thinking of a whole group, deciding what you want in your life, and choose that which brings great joy and comfort to you. It isn't the time that matters, only that you are happy in what you are experiencing, to help you to find yourself in the healing power of that time and space you are creating in your life with your peaceful wildlife friends around you. Be there for the next step in the direction of the healing process of goodwill for all of us. James Birdman. An unexpected shift on our journey. We never know how to expect as any given moment arises, sending us on a different journey within our mind. Sometimes the universe makes the rules as we are guided in a different direction within our own thoughts. Our minds change as we move on, seeking to find out the truth of deciding what we need to learn and adapt to a better way of living and thinking of for ourselves. We must become an individual, a singularity with freedom for our thoughts to decide what is next to overcome. As our minds calibrates and we come together here and now as we heal for a better life awaits us. As we rise up and go beyond our limits, we must embrace our new life experiences and continue on our spiritual journey through the changes found deep within our own being. We must never give up hope as we form our thoughts and advance into a higher level of understanding and how far we have come. Keep going ahead for the first time and then follow your heart as you heal yourself from within, in the knowing and understanding that you are growing stronger and healthier than you ever thought possible. Do not fret, as all is for the good of everyone, as we rise above and discover how close we are to being free forever. Acceptance of wisdom is the ultimate goal for us to follow. James Birdman. Delightful friends in Mother Nature, with the moon and the sun appearing at the same time as one in the sky this fine day, as my journey through life is continually moving me forward, as my new friends gather around ready for our venture into the forest, waiting to accept us with wild experiences and delightful surprises as we follow our path by the distant waters of the Fish Creek Park at
Well, Charlie, this is quite the inspirational walk for sure.
Yeah, it's not every day you get to walk with James Birdman.
freedom of your mind. Do not be fooled by the many mysteries of what mankind offers you, with the many unforeseen ways of exploring the life you have chosen. Be clear, but always try to expand your ideas with an understanding, awareness, and take your thoughts and look for that place in your mind where that created being is exposed, and you break free from yourself and search to discover that you have the ability to choose and become complete. So much decision making, but we have the means and the memories to see that we have experienced these phenomena, which were gifts given many years ago. Follow your destiny and enjoy your time together with your family and friends. Each moment offered is a moment to be remembered. James Birdman. Time well spent. Why are we here? Living out our lives by following different paths on our journey with new profound experiences and with a heart for words. As we travel our destiny wherever and however short the journey, it's not the length that matters, but the time you spend together sharing your dreams, your joy time, your happy time, your moments in time, your thoughtful time, recalling those memories of your time as you awaken from your dream state, recalling all the time you have spent together, never knowing how precious was your love that you have experienced over the years so long ago. Savor those times and continue to spread your love and those people around you as they laugh and grow to carry on your love till you join once again in peaceful harmony. This time is now, here in this moment. Use it wisely. James Birdman. Like the lights down? Yeah, aren't they beautiful? Look at those lovely lights. Christmas is a nice time of year, this time of month, December. As we look at the lights shining brightly here for all of us on this nice walk in the Babbling Brook here in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Wow, look at the lights on top of the fences. This is wonderful.
That's a good view.
Yeah.
All these lovely rocks.
Hey, we're coming up to the birdhouses. We'll take a look at them. What a nice little puppy. What's his name? Ollie. Oh, what? Little Ollie. Nice walk here.
It's getting dark. We reached the end of the park. It's time to turn around and head back to our vehicle.